Oral hygiene refers to the practices and habits individuals employ to maintain the cleanliness of their mouth, teeth, and gums. Good oral hygiene is crucial for preventing oral diseases such as tooth decay, gum disease, bad breath, and other dental problems. Here are some important aspects and details about oral hygiene. Brushing. Brushing your teeth at least twice a day is essential for removing plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth and gums. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Brush in a circular motion, covering all tooth surfaces and the gum line. Flossing. Flossing should be done at least once a day to clean the areas between the teeth and along the gum line where a toothbrush cannot reach. Use a gentle sawing motion and curve the floss against each tooth to remove plaque and food particles. Mouthwash. Mouthwash can be used as an additional step to freshen breath and kill bacteria. Look for a mouthwash with antibacterial properties and follow the instructions on the bottle. However, mouthwash should not replace brushing and flossing. Tongue cleaning. Bacteria can accumulate on the tongue, leading to bad breath. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush to gently clean the surface of your tongue from back to front to remove bacteria and debris. Proper nutrition. A healthy diet plays a significant role in maintaining good oral hygiene. Limit sugary and acidic foods and beverages, as they can contribute to tooth decay. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins for overall oral health. Regular dental check-ups. Visit your dentist regularly for check-ups and professional cleanings. Dentists can detect early signs of dental issues, provide preventive care, and offer advice on maintaining optimal oral hygiene. Avoid tobacco products. Smoking or using tobacco products can have severe consequences for oral health, including gum disease, tooth loss, oral cancer, and bad breath. Quitting or avoiding tobacco is vital for maintaining good oral hygiene. Protect teeth from injury. If you play sports or engage in activities with a risk of dental injury, use mouth guards to protect your teeth and jaw. Mouth guards provide cushioning and prevent trauma to the mouth during impact. Remember, consistent and proper oral hygiene practices are crucial for maintaining a healthy mouth and preventing dental problems. If you have specific concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a dental professional for personalized advice and recommendations. Oral hygiene refers to the practices and habits individuals employ.